how are you? This is Shipra again with my new DIY activity. And today it's going to be very simple. But before I start, just do the ritual. Let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. And you can see I have just made a simple bookmark. Yes, as you sometimes read the book and then it is difficult to find the same page. So this bookmark is going to solve your problem. So what all things do we need? I have used an ice cream stick, a thick black marker, and thick sheets, which are just 6 centimeters of squares, which I have taken 3. Okay, I have taken 3 squares of 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, same as this, same as this. So we have taken 3 squares of 6 centimeters and we will simply, what we are going to do? We are simply going to fold it like this, all 3. I have taken a thick sheet, kids, so try taking a thick sheet this way. Just simply fold it like this. It's a square of 6 centimeters and I am folding it properly like this. And now this one. And we definitely need a glue for this. This is done. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to place them inside like this. And this one is going to come from the back. Okay. So our star is ready. You can even write something on this. I have not written anything on this. And then we will just take our ice cream stick. We'll apply glue. We'll place it like this and see it's fine. Yes. So again, we'll apply glue on this portion. The center portion is still open because we'll put this also inside. And we will stick it like this. Now you have got a loop like this. Can you see a loop like this? We will just simply push in this ice cream stick inside. But before that, I have written star reader. You can write I love books, anything, whatever you want to. Even you can write your name. Or I am a bookworm. Just with a thick marker, you can easily write on the ice cream sticks. So, I am a bookworm, a star reader, and we will just simply push it inside like this. Okay, we'll apply glue. Or even you can write on both the sides. On the other side also, you can write something what you want to. Okay, and this we'll stick this side also. Like I am writing, I love reading. So on both these sides you can write, or if you don't want to write on other side, that's your wish. Okay. And now we will just simply stick it like this so that it gives a look of a proper star. Okay, we'll stick this. So the tip should come out nicely. And we'll stick this from center. We'll stick like this. And now we'll apply glue. Here at the center only. Just at the center because rest of the part will be visible. And our bookmarks are ready. I am a bookworm, star reader. I love reading. So this was quite simple. You could have even, you could just see that you have sticked it properly. You could have even written something if the star, this time I have taken a big star. So even you can write something on the star if you want to. Okay, so this is our simple bookmarks you can easily make. So I hope the instructions were clear, kids. It was easy. Do share your pictures. Do let us know how do you like it. And thank you for watching this video. I, Shipra, is going to come back again with more DIY activities. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. And do keep reading also.